Well, here we are again. This is Doug Williams with Viva Las Vegas Autos and A Car's Life. And I'll tell you, we've got one incredible truck here. This is a 1966 Chevy Custom 10, and it is a show truck. It's a short bed, as you can see. And this truck was restored a while back. When we got it, it looked very beautiful. Undercarriage was like brand new, the interior, engine bay, everything was like brand new. But whoever had done the paint, and if you look at the old Bring a Trailer auction, the only complaint that they had on the thing was that the paint was showing its age. Well, we thought, we can't have this nice of a truck that's stunning and not have brand new paint on it. So we actually redid the entire paint job on this car, and all that is brand new, and it is done extremely well, show quality. And prior to this, the paint looked okay, but it wasn't as showy as the rest of the truck. And with the rest of the truck being spectacular as it was, top to bottom, we just could not be settled with the paint finish being what it was. So we took it down and had it redone, and it is absolutely gorgeous. All that tan paint is all brand new, and it's laid perfectly and beautiful. So let's walk around this truck. This is a 327 air-conditioned, factory air-conditioned vehicle, and you'll see in the pictures the quality of the finish, and this is a nut and bolt frame-off restoration as well. So let's walk around, and you'll see how incredibly beautiful it is. Chrome on it is as new. Paint is absolutely gorgeous. Literally show quality everywhere you look. The front end of that thing, absolutely beautiful. Fit and finish, absolutely beautiful. Just everywhere you look on this truck, it is drop dead gorgeous, and so much nicer now than what it was back in 2021 when it was last on Bring a Trailer. And then it also sold at Mecum, I think a year or two ago, and got more money there than it did even on Bring a Trailer. And the paint was still the same older paint. We just put those Coker white walls on, got them from Coker, and those are brand new. There's less than 5 miles on them. Really haven't driven the car at all since then. See the shine in this thing? Absolutely beautiful. The trim work on it is gorgeous. It's got Flowmaster exhaust, sounds fantastic. You look at the bed in this thing, it is a solid oak bed that's absolutely gorgeous with the chrome rails in there. And it is absolutely beautiful in here. And again, chrome work outside everywhere is fantastic. Look down the sides, absolutely beautiful. And there is not a hairline scuff or scratch in this paint. It is absolutely drop dead gorgeous. And she runs perfect. Air blows ice cold on it. And she is a sweet, sweet truck. If you look underneath the hood, there we go. It's as beautiful underneath the hood. All the little details are beautiful. 327 high torque V8. Engine bay is show quality. Power steering. Air conditioning. Holley carburetor underneath there. And again, you can see the fit and finish of this thing just everywhere you look. It's beautiful. Under the dash, the wiring is beautiful. Just an absolutely drop-dead gorgeous truck. She rides as nice down the road as she looks too. She really does. And when you see the pictures of the undercarriage, everything's new. It's new and redone, and it's beautiful. All the rubber seals, all brand new. Felt in the windows. Windows roll up with ease. Both sides. Steering is great. Power steering, of course. Inside, the seat material is perfect condition. The carpets are in excellent condition. The finish inside is more of a matte gold finish. In excellent condition, no issues there. Door handles, all that kind of stuff is all great. The trim inside and new rubber, all beautiful. Pedals new. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Behind the seat, it's got the cardboard paneling there. Seat belts for two. And it's got a newer sound system in it. AM/FM with auxiliary jacks. 4,899 miles. And we'll disclose what the mileage was when it was sold last time on Bring a Trailer, as well as what it is now. Also, there was a lot of great information on Bring a Trailer and on the Mecum ad as to how the restoration was done. We got a lot of old pictures of this as well. And it looked as good in those pictures, but I'll tell you right now, the paint was not as good as the paint wasn't what it is now. The paint is drop dead gorgeous now, and it was not before. It was nice, but not the quality that this truck deserved. And I wanted this truck to have extreme quality everywhere. So we took the investment and did that. So let's take this thing for a spin. Alrighty. Got the gear set up now, and we'll go for a spin. Starts right up. Got a tachometer down here. I don't know if you can see it with there right now. But sound system on it. Comes right on.
Women, guys. And now we won't need to. The world's first
AM, FM, auxiliaries, and we got functional air conditioning, recirculating, and it blows cold, and it does well. I'm going to turn it off as we drive so you can actually hear the truck though. She's a 3-speed on the tree. Windshield wipers all work. Lights, turn signals, everything works. Literally, this vehicle literally drives like it's new. Sounds great with the dual Flowmaster exhausts. When you see the pictures on the underside and the detailed pictures that we've taken, this truck didn't have any rust, and whatever repairs were done as part of the restoration, it was done to the highest of standards. It has plenty of power. Does not have power brakes, but it doesn't feel like you need them by any means. We enjoy putting our vehicles on Bring a Trailer, and even though this one's been on before, it definitely is not the same vehicle that was on before in the sense of quality. This thing far exceeds the quality in the paint finish. The rest is pretty much the same, but the paint was just, in my opinion, unacceptable to leave it as it was. And I wanted this car top level. And it is now. It's as nice top to bottom and on the outside. As it should be. $4,901 miles now. And about 5 more miles on the tires. Total. So if you have any questions, I'd love to interact with my Bring Trailer bidders. We'll show a whole lot of documentation on this thing. And hopefully somebody will really appreciate the fact that the paint is so much nicer than it was. said, it deserved that nice of a finish with as nice as this truck was done. Well, we hope that we can interact with you guys on Bring Trailer and have some great conversations. Thanks again. Talk to you soon.